Hey, I thought I would show a little edit here. Let me catch you up. So I was just earlier today, about an hour ago, here on Waiheke Island. I was out with a quadcopter, and I took these three photos. One, two, three. I had the quadcopter in the same position. I just kind of angled the camera up slowly. And this is how I'm currently editing my quadcopter Vertoramas, which I quite like, by the way. You know, you can't ever quite get all of it in at once because, like, I like this, right? Because you can see the whole curve of the ground down below, and the water looks nice. I got, this one kind of in the middle, and this one the clouds, because the clouds they're nice too. But you just can't get it all in one shot. So step one is here in Lightroom. I went ahead and edited it so it looks better, like before or after. Not much, just slight enhancements. I did that for all of them, okay? And then I brought them into Photoshop and I lined them up, made it look nice. And then I exported that as a TIFF file. I dropped in this thing called Aurora Me. So here's a TIFF file. So this is all three photos together. Come on, get big. It's all three photos all merged together. It's pretty good, but I think I can do better. I want to make it look even better in Aurora. Not big adjustments, just slight adjustments. So meanwhile, here we are over here in Aurora. And when I brought it in as a single TIFF file, this is doing tone mapping, I said yes. So you can see there's already a slight adjustment. And I think the water looks better. I like to see like these different kinds of blues in the water. Most of that is caused by the clouds over the water, but I just think it looks nice. It looks nice. Okay, so let's make another layer here. And now let's just look at the sky. Let's make the sky look nice. A little contrast, a little HDR enhance. See, the sky's way too blue there. It feels kind of weird. So let's just take it easy on that contrast. A little enhance, a little structure, a little softness. Not too much though. Then do some denoise, just in case there's some noise up there. Still a little too blue up there, I feel like, though. So let's just drop the saturation down a bit. Because we don't want, here's the deal, is that we don't want, the blue thing here should be the water, right? And we want the sky to be a background character. A lot of times when you do landscape photos, like the sky is kind of the star of the photo, right? So that should be, really have the most punch. But we want the sky here to be a background character. We want the water to be the protagonist. See? So here I'll make another layer. I'm going to increase the vibrance. Whoa, that's way too blue. A little HDR enhance. Oh yeah. A little bit of, oh Mac, I am not going to do your stupid iCloud thing. No matter how many times you prompt me. I think they realize every time that it gets reprompted, it just makes me angrier, and I'm less likely to sign up for the iCloud. By the way, iCloud, there's no way that you could back up my, like 9 or 10 terabytes. It's just ridiculous. Okay, here, pick the brush. Now I'm going to paint in this nicer, more glowy water. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to make the grass a little more warm and green and inviting. I think I can just do that with image radiance. Pop that up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Well done, New Zealand. I love your work. Don't ever change. Look at that. Pretty cool. So this is kind of before and after, before and after. All right, looking good. I like it. I like it a lot.